compressor. I just want to see the positioning of it.
Power.
Yeah, compressor. You're 100%
But
correct.
because you've been letting ambient air come in,
Yeah.
you just get more air for the same volume.
For extra points,
Yeah.
what's the principle called?
Oh, that's probably the
Very good. Bernoulli, yeah, but the Venturi. Venturi.
What's the area volume first? Yes, look at the area volume.
I can't remember the formulas, but yeah, you're 100% right. Yeah. I learned that. The fertilizer, the water and fertilizer. And you have Venturi type of so similar thing happens with water pressure as well. So as the water pressure runs past, even though it's small plant, it sucks up the fertilizer from the tank and then mixes with each other with the Venturi. Yeah. But actually, you're right. No, it is Bernoulli. That one. That you know, you use the government. You turn that in, you can fill a whole.
Right.
Yeah. Similar principle. Sorry. It is
All right,
Bernoulli.
I
I'm
think
mixing them up.
it's full.
But I dig how
Oh,
like
shit.
there's science in farming.
Oh, of course. It is the original science.
Okay.